Top 15 Korean celebrity who are best friends in real life. The world of Korean entertainment is a dazzling realm of glitz, glamour, and relentless competition. Amidst the bright lights and bustling schedules, genuine friendships can be rare treasures. Yet, some celebrities have managed to forge deep, lasting bonds that have stood the test of time and fame. These friendships not only warm the hearts of fans but also remind us that even in the most high pressure industries, true connections can thrive. Here's a look at some of the most celebrated friendships in Korean entertainment, stories of loyalty, support, and unforgettable moments that have captured the hearts of millions. Number 1, Lee Min-ho and Jung Il-woo. Their friendship dates back to their teenage years long before either achieved stardom. They met in middle school and survived a serious car accident together in 2006 which only strengthened their bond despite their eventual rise to fame. They remained close confidant for over 2 decades. Number 2, Lee Dong-wook and Gong Yoo. After co-starring in the hit drama Goblin, these two formed an unbreakable friendship. They're often seen attending each other's events and have appeared together on various variety shows showcasing their natural chemistry and mutual support. Number 3, Jung Hae-in and Lee Jong-suk. These talented actors first met through mutual connections in the industry and have maintained a close friendship despite their busy music schedules. They've been spotted supporting each other at drama premieres and frequently share their hangouts on social media. Number 4, IU and Yo In-na. Despite their 11-year age gap, IU and Yo In-na share one of the most admired friendships in the industry. They met during IU's early career days when Yo In-na was a radio DJ, and their sisterly bond has only grown stronger over the years. Number 5, Jung Ho-yeon and Jennie. Model-turned-actress Jung Ho-yeon and Blackpink's Jennie have been friends since their modeling days. Their friendship gained more attention after Jung Ho-yeon's rise to global fame through Squid Game, with Jennie even sending a food truck to support her on set. Number 6, Park Seo-joon and Choi Woo-shik. These two are part of the famous Wooga squad along with V from BTS. Park Young-sik and Peak Boy. Their friendship has been well documented through various social media posts and variety show appearances showing their regular hangouts and vacations together. Number 7, Jo In-sug and Do Kyung-so. Their friendship blossomed while filming the drama It's Okay, That's Love in 2014. Despite their age difference and different backgrounds, they've maintained a close relationship with Jo In-sug, often praising Do's acting abilities and character. Number 8, Song Joong-ki and Lee Kwang-so. Their friendship began during Running Man and has remained strong even after Song Joong-ki left the show. They're known for their loyalty to each other, with Lee Kwang-so even taking time off from filming to attend Song Joong-ki's wedding. Number 9, Park Bo-gum and Wei. These two young stars met through mutual connections and quickly became close friends. They've been seen supporting each other at various events, with Wei attending Park Bo-gum's fan meetings and Park Bo-gum showing up at BTS concerts. Number 10, Park Bo-young and Park Hyung-sik. After starring together in Strongwoman Do Bong Soon, their chemistry extended beyond the screen. They've maintained a close friendship, often supporting each other's projects and speaking highly of each other in interviews. Number 11, Jang Ki-young and Nam Jo-hyuk. These model-turned-actors formed a close bond through their similar career paths and shared experiences. They frequently show support for each other's projects and maintain their friendship despite busy schedules. Number 12, Kim Seon-ho and Moon Jae-young. Both actors have seen their careers soar in recent years and their friendship has grown alongside their success. They're known for their supportive relationship and often attend each other's drama premieres. Number 13, Bayon Woo-seok and Hairi. Their friendship began through mutual acquaintances and has grown stronger over the years. They're often seen supporting each other's projects and sharing their hangouts on social media. Number 14, Bam Bam and Lisa. Their friendship dates back to their training days in Thailand before either debuted in Korea. As two of the most successful Thug pop idols, they've maintained their close bond while achieving international successes. Number 15, Park Shin-hye and Lee Hong-ki. Having known each other since their teenage years, their friendship has spanned their entire careers. They've supported each other through various projects and life events, demonstrating the longevity of their bond. Which Korean actors' friendships shocked you the most? Share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.